Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And in today's video, I'm going to show you something I never thought I'd make a video for, and that is how to burn an audio CD going into 2019. So yesterday I was asked by a friend of mine what I thought was a weird question, which was, "Hey, can you burn me uh, a couple of audio CDs?" I went, "What, audio CDs for what?" So, long story short, his auxiliary port in his car broke, and he doesn't have Bluetooth in his car, so that's all he can use right now. But that's not all he can use. But that's what I had a couple CDs, so I burned him a couple CDs. And that process is extremely simple, and we're going to go right into that. I'm going to just show you two different programs on how to burn an audio CD. But before I actually do that, um, I just want to just show you this really quick. I'm going to put the links in the description for this because this is something that you would definitely, I would go over, I would do this over a CD any day of the week. So looking at this, this is a Bluetooth FM transmitter. So you plug this device into your whatever you call it, the 12 volt adapter, what they used to call the cigarette adapter in your vehicle. Let me get my face out of here. So you plug this into the 12 volt adapter in your vehicle, or not 12 volt, was it 5 volts? Excuse me, sorry. No, it's 12 volts. But you plug it into the adapter, and then you sync this via Bluetooth to any device that has Bluetooth. It doesn't even have to be a phone per se, but typically it would be your cell phone. And then from there, as you can see on the picture, it says FM 105.0. And from there, you would just switch, on your actual tuner in your car, you would actually just switch the channel over to that station. So you put your station to 105.0, and then that's what this device would broadcast to the antenna on your vehicle and would play everything through the speakers. So anything that plays through your phone will now be playing through your speakers, everything. So, and you don't have to you don't have to plug any wires in or anything like that. I just found this. This is like Amazon's choice. Amazon's Choice has like 14,500 reviews with 4.5 stars. So it's definitely reliable, and that's what I would go over burning CDs. So, but if you still want to continue with burning CDs, I'll put a link in the description for this. Then make sure I'll put a link in the description for this too, because this is the best deal. Best deal that I found was the verbatims. You always want to get the CD minus R's, so 700 megabytes, 82 minutes. That's what you want. So, and typically everything's 52x. And then as long as you have um, a CD player in your PC or your laptop, you're perfectly fine. You have a 99.9% chance of that computer or laptop being able to record CDs. So, all right. So moving on to actually going through the burning process. I just really wanted to show you guys this option because I think that's a hell of a way better alternative than burning audio CDs. So, just because they are becoming obsolete. But hey, to each their own. This is a program called Deep Burner, on which I've done a review on before. Deepburner.com, you go download, and you go to Deep Burner Free 1.9 and download that. Download and install. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I love it when the programs are extremely simple. So what I'm going to do is just open up Deep Burner, and go to, this is it, create audio CD. Not that difficult. So I hit next, and now we can literally just drag and drop from here. So I'm just going to make the screen a little bit smaller, and I'm going to drag all the songs from this album that I do have into here. It'll put the track list in order, as you see, from 1 to 16. And you would actually go after that. If you look down the bottom left-hand corner of Deep Burner, it says 80 minutes, which is what a typical CD can hold for the actual length of the CD. And so for 80-minute CD, we still have plenty of room. We have 18 minutes remaining, so which is almost like 6 songs that we could act if you really wanted to add more songs. But from here, you don't have to change anything. You can literally just click Burn Disk. Just go to Burn Disk, and then it'll automatically find your, you know, your CD player on which it's going to record to. So your CD burner, and then all you would do is literally just click Burn, and that's it. And after that, it'll eject the CD, and now you can pop that good old-fashioned CD, you know, into your vehicle, into your boombox, or whatever, into your portable CD player, wherever you want. So, but Deep Burner is a really cool program. They have a lot of other stuff to offer. But all right, and the second way that's extremely easy is Windows Media Player, which comes with every version of every version of Windows. So if you have a album like I do here, then what I'm going to do is just highlight everything, right click it, and go to Add to Windows Media Player List. Okay, I'm not going to play it, obviously. I'm going to click that button there, and then I'm going to go, if it wants to help me out here, I'm going to go over to Burn, and then from Burn, I'm going to go to Import Unsaved List, which was everything that was in play. So, and everything fits on one disk. If it didn't, there would be an option for disk 2, and it would say the amount of time and so forth. And it even says up here, like Deep Burner did, so it's 18 minutes and 8 seconds free. And you would do the same thing. Just put your blank CD in the CD burner and click Start Burn. And after that's done, it'll eject the CD, and then bring that CD wherever you go. Throw it in the car, do whatever you like. So, but yeah, that's it. So that's how simple it is to burn a CD. There's thousands of programs to burn audio CDs with. But if something has happened with your vehicle, I still highly recommend the wireless. It's a Bluetooth transmitter, so it goes. You sync this to your phone, and then this syncs to your tuner in your car. So, and then everything that you play through your phone, even phone calls, will go through the speakers in your car. So that's just what I suggest over burning CDs. But hey, you can do either or. So, but I'll still put the link in the description for this. For $17, you can't beat that. So if you don't have if you don't have Bluetooth in your car and you don't want to even use the auxiliary cord anymore, you can still just use this, so you don't have to plug into anything anymore. So, all right, well, thank you very much for listening to me speak with my raspy voice, and I will see you guys in the next one. All right.